Are you ready to design the home of your dreams? Whether you're building from scratch or planning a major renovation, today's video will walk you through everything you need to know to bring your vision to life. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visualization. Start by imagining what your dream home looks like. Think about interior styles that you love, whether it's modern, rustic, or eclectic. Envision how the layout will fit your lifestyle, and consider those must-have features, like a gourmet kitchen or an outdoor living space. Step 2. Not sure where to start? Check out magazines, Pinterest, Instagram, or even take a tour of some open houses for inspiration. It's all about collecting ideas and finding the ones that resonate with you. Step 3. Now it's time to prioritize. List out your non-negotiables and set a realistic budget. Remember, it's always a good idea to include a contingency for unexpected costs, around 10 to 20% of your budget. Step 4. Before jumping into design, understand the specifics of your property, like topography, sunlight, zoning laws, and utilities access. These factors can influence your design and budget. Step 5. Ready to make it official? Don't hesitate to consult with professionals. Architects, interior designers, and contractors can provide insights that make your project even better, ensuring it's structurally sound and visually stunning. Step 6. Now comes the fun part, conceptualizing and creating your layout. Sketch out ideas and think about how spaces flow into one another. Traffic flow and storage solutions should always be part of the plan. Step 7. Home design software like Foyr lets you bring your vision to life in 3 dimensions. You can experiment with layouts, colors, and materials, all while getting precise measurements. Step 8. Once you have a solid concept, it's time to refine it. Create detailed floor plans and 3-dimensional renderings to ensure everything aligns. You'll also want to check that your designs meet local building codes. Step 9. Choose materials and finishes that match your style, but also consider durability, maintenance, and sustainability. Opt for eco-friendly choices whenever possible. Step 10. Energy-efficient appliances, smart home systems, and renewable energy sources can make your home more comfortable and cost-effective in the long run. Think about automated lighting, security, and climate control. Step 11. Before you break ground, finalize all your plans, get the necessary permits, and hire a reliable contractor. Set a realistic timeline and be prepared for some minor disruptions. Designing your dream home is a journey, but with the right tools and planning, it can be an incredibly rewarding one. Are you ready to take your interior design work to the next level? Try Foyr and experience the magic in 3D. Link in description.